Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Nexgo credit card terminal, which comes already ready to go. So as you open the box, you'll be able to see inside of it. The first thing you'll be able to see is the Nexgo terminal. It already comes preloaded with the paper, so that way you can see you can print out your receipt right here. The next thing that we'll get out is the cable. So as you can see, it already comes with a charging cable, so that way you can charge it. There's also another charger that can be used on the car in case that's something that you need to be on the go. But remember, this terminal comes with a SIM card, which is what's going to be able to connect it to the internet, even if you're out on the go. Next, you're going to be able to see your terms and conditions with Nexgo, and also it's going to come with your quick start guide in case you need to review any of the steps when you set it up, as well as if you need to use any of the functions and you don't know how to get to it, you'll be able to find it here in the manual. If you would like to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and like the video below. Thanks for watching.